So what up everyone, my name is Bonnie Nunton and welcome to my demonstration for Laboratory 2 Structural Sign Pattern. In this project, we refactored a simple legacy media player into a modular media streaming suite. Now, the flow of this video contains with architectural explanation showing mga diagram on screen. Next is the minute live code walkthrough of K classes and patterns. Next is the live demo assembling a playlist, toggling a decorator, and switching render and playing remote catchy stream. Next is reflection on trade-offs and what you'd improve. Kani siya. Next is the short readme telling how to run the project and test including command or run demo. Now the goal aning system is to make media player more flexible, scalable and maintainable using structural sign pattern. Specifically, our suite now supports multiple media source like local files and HLS live stream, and also remote API stream. Next, on the fly feature plugin such as subtitles, audio equalizer, and watermark overlays. Next is the composite playlist, meaning playlist can contain both a single media file, sub playlist mo na siya. Next is the runtime render switching. Mo na siya ang hardware versus software rendering strategies. And lastly, kaning remote proxy catching to fetch reuse stream media efficiency. Now, the purpose of this project is to demonstrate kung unsa ang structural pattern, kung unsa yung katabang pag-organize sa complex system para reduce tong code duplication and enable easy feature and extension. Now, we proceed sa first kaning architectural explanation, kaning showing diagrams. Showing diagram. So here are my diagram, UML diagram. So at the center we have the media manager, kaning media manager. Muna siya ang single tone to coordinate playbacks. It communicates with render interface, which can be either hardware renderer or software renderer. It follows the bridge pattern that separate abstraction nga playback nga kuan for implementation nga rendering strategy. For source adaptation, kaning ano siya? For source adaptation, we use the adapter pattern where classes like local stream adapter, HLS adapter, and remote API adapter all conform to a unified media source interface. This allows player to handle different source seamlessly. Next, on our composite pattern is used for playlist. Kanin mo na siyang playlist items can represent either a single file or another playlist composite, allowing nested playlist na siya. Next, our decoder pattern to apply optional media enhancement at runtime like subtitle decoders, equalizer, decorator pala, not the. Okay. Next is we use the decorator pattern to apply optional media enhancement at runtime, like subtitles decorator, equalizer decorator, and watermark decorator. This decorator wrap around a renderer to modify its behavior dynamically. Now, lastly, we have the proxy pattern. We have the proxy pattern is used for remote catching remote proxy source, fetching the cache media from external API to improve performance. Ano siya? Next, on our demonstration sa system, we proceed sa live coding walkthrough. Ano siya, mga key classes and pattern. So we go to first, ano siya ang media manager.java. So this is a singleton responsible for controlling playback and render setup. It has a method like set render, set render and play that coordinate the other components. For example, that coordinates the other component. For example, we can switch between hardware and software render at runtime. Next, the render interface. Kani siya. Kanin si render interface plus concrete implementation. Now, the render interface defines render frame. Kani siya, render frame. And render frame method. Both hardware render and software render implement it differently. Implement it differently. This is our bridge pattern. Letting us change rendering strategy without touching the main playback logic. Now, the decorator stack plugin kaning decorator, render decorator, kani siya. Muna siya ang render stack plugins. Kaning render decorator. We have the base, muna siyang base render decorator that wraps in any render and any renderer na sa subclass like a subtitle decorator and equalizer and watermark decorator, override the render frame, ano siya, to add functionality. This decorator patterns allowing routine runtime layering of effects. Next is the composite playlist. The asaman to. Mani siya. Composite playlist is the abstract class with play ngakuan. Mani siya, play method. Play next is the composite playlist. Playlist composite is the abstraction class with a play method and add and the media file is a left node kaning playlist composite can contain multiple composite. This implement the composite pattern so we can play a single file or nested playlist seamlessly. Now the proxy source, we have the remote proxy source, which is here. You have here the remote proxy source. The remote proxy source acts as a proxy pattern for remote media. It simulates caching by fetching data once the reusing at the across play. Muna siya. All of these kanitanan are orchestrated through the main file which demonstrate the system working together. Muna siya. So now, after sa live code walkthrough, mga key components, key classes and patterns, we proceed sa live demo, which is showing the run code sa pag-run. Now, dito sa main and then run. So as you can see here, so magsugod ta diri as sa start playback using the hardware render with a decorator, stack of subtitles, equalizer, and watermark. Ano siya? The output kaning manager, set render to hardware, and then it enters the root playlist, which is the kaya adara. Enters the root playlist, play a local song kani playing a file local song, apply the rock equalizer, and mana siya equalizer, and percent and mana siya render local song, render subtitles and overlays, the watermark my brand, mana siya watermark, rendering subtitles from and then overlay my brand. And next is the after sa kuan, next it plays an HLS live stream gani, source again as playing live stream is playing file HLS channel from source example and then again playing the same decorator, source again playing the same decorators, sana to subtitles and from the same one, overlay my brand, and then after finishing we switch render at runtime to software mode and toggle to subtitle only demonstrate dynamic reconfig- reconfigura- reconfigura- reconfiguration. Ano? Which is switching render to software plus subtitle runtime for reconfiguration, and then playback playlist file local song again muna siya, and final playback renders the same local file but using the software renderer. Nara siya, rendering software from local and kuan with subtitles only muna siya. So muna siya. From the output, you can clearly see the playlist hierarchy was traversed correctly. Each decorator applies effect sequentially, equalizer, subtitles, and watermark. The render switching work in real time without restarting the system. Muna siya. The proxy source fetch and used remote media, proving the caching mechanism works. Now this confirm that our system is fully support modular media playbacks o flexible configuration and runtime extensibility, all achieved using structural design pattern. Muna sila. So on our next is this reflection on trade-offs and what you'd improve. So in terms of trade-offs, the decorator pattern increase flexibility but can make debugging harder since multiple layer wrap each other. Yeah. Next is pagkahuman sa using mini interface and abstraction add slightly overhead, pero ang payoff is easier maintenance. Now, ang proxy pattern works from caching but could be improved by adding an actual caching file system or memory buffer. Muna siya. In addition, for future improvement, mag-implementa og asynchronous loading for remote stream. Also, mag-add simple GUI front end for better user interaction. Next is to enhance error handling for missing file or network failure. Muna siya. Future improvement. Now overall, the system demonstrates how structural design pattern can transform a messy, monolithic code base into a modular, extensible suite. Now, the README summary on the screen. Where is the hara? Diara. In the README summary, we have this repository demonstrate refactor a legacy media layer into a modular streaming suit using structural patterns, which is the adapter for different source type, kaning composite for nested and compound playlist, decorator for runtime plugin stock, subtitles, equalizer, and watermark, and strategy, render, switching, hardware, or software. Now, si proxy, remote proxy caching. Lastly, we have the facade, facade, clean player API. Muna siya. Now, how to run? Since I'm using VS Code, you can also run it through command kaning code. Ano siya? Java D, but you can also click run here sa run. If you can see here na nakarun naman, kay click ko man na, and yeah, ano siya. So next, what is what this demo does? Kani siya to build a playlist with file, sub playlist, and also demonstrate playing via local HLS adapter and remote adapter proxy, switches render strategy at runtime, applies decoder stack to render subtitles to equalizer to watermark. So mana siya. So that would be all. That covers all the how many, 1 2 3, so that covers all the flow of this video. Thanks for watching. This includes my demonstration of Laboratory 2 structural design pattern, the modular media streaming suite. See you later and have a great day.